make this at home?
No. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. I said yeah.
You could. You could just take a cup, set another cup in it, make